MLajan, the new way to pay. Let's talk about updating your MLajan account. Updating your account is very important. Open your MLajan app and click the menu bar. Click Account and click Update Account. Once you've done so, a list of required fields will be populated onto your screen so you can fill. Your telephone number, first and last name would have already been filled in for you. Enter your gender, your date of birth, nationality, your parish, village, and your legal identification type. This could either be your social security card, passport, or driver's license. Enter your ID or passport number into the desired field. Next, you will be asked to upload the front and back view of your ID card. This can be uploaded from your device, or you can simply take a picture of it. Then, enter the expiration date on the used ID card and your email address. Click Continue. Your information will then be sent to the MLajan support team for confirmation and verification. All account updates are processed within 24 hours. MLajan, one app, many conveniences.